Grandma's card?
The mom who has it all.
Go sign Grandma's card.
Here, baby cakes. Right there.
You knew it. You know what the best?
Seriously?
So wait, hold on a second. Before you say anything, when he's writing something, and I'm like, "Are you writing a novel?" And he goes, "Go away while I'm writing the card."
Wait. Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow! When?
Well, 9 months.
Yeah.
Is there a due date or yet?
We haven't. No, we
don't
haven't.
know yet,
No.
but probably sometime in maybe even
February.
around Mikey's birthday
It's February.
to early
Yeah.
Oh my God! I can't get up fast enough to have both. Oh, how exciting!
You're yelling.
Oh.
Look at Michelle. Look at Michelle.
Why are you yelling so loud?
Well, you're
So-
not out here.
Oh my God! I'm so
Are you
excited.
gonna sign Grandma's card?